hij. We use Dutch nouns with articles. All Dutch nouns are divided into two groups, de words and het words. It means that some nouns would be used with de and some nouns would be used with het. So, how do you know is it de huis or het huis? We don't have one universal rule, but we have plenty of small rules with exceptions. But what is the most easiest way to find out is it de huis or het huis? You can install an app. It's called De en Het app. So let's check. Is it de huis or is it het huis? Go and type huis. Huis is het huis. And how about kind? Child. Is it de kind of het kind? Het kind. Pen. De pen or het pen? De pen. Is it de water or het water? Het water. There's another very good app which you can use to exercise and to learn Dutch articles. You need to guess. Is it de or het woord? For instance, het dak or de dak. De leerling or het leerling. It's a very useful app. This app has 1800 Dutch nouns with English translations. It has 26 categories. You can use and choose a level and also select some categories. Let's choose people. Is it de baby or het baby? De dochter or het dochter? De vader or het vader? Please remember, 75% of all Dutch nouns are de words. Let's check animals. The majority of animals are de words, but there's also exceptions. There's also a tab for you statistics. Today, 7 days, and all time. Before you're going to use this app, I advise you to remember some guidelines. De words are fruits, trees, plants, vegetables, rivers, oceans, seas, mountains, numbers, letters. Also, persons, professions, animals, musical instruments, days and closings. Please pay attention, there are also exceptions. Het words are places like countries, cities, villages, provinces, islands, continents, metals, sports and games, substance and materials, languages, compass points. I made a list of these rules for you. You can download it from our website. The link to download the apps, also this list, you will find in the description below. And advise you also to watch my another video which called What are Dutch articles? De en het. Video number 4, you will find it also in the description below. And I see you in the next video.